welcome back to La Roche-Parthenae Farm and tips on how to.
That was tips, wasn't it?
That was tips.
Okay.
Otherwise I'd be cut. Otherwise it would be. I can't remember what I was talking about now. What was I talking about? Oh, tips. Tips on how to. And this is these are vicious. These are the thorny little thistle, right? But if you take a spade or even a thing and you push it down the side of the thistle like that, then cut in like this and bring up. As you pull it out, you can see it separates like this. Can you see that?
We can sort of. The downside is that you're in the shadow.
Oh, sorry.
Could you just step out and then we can see?
Well, let me step out the shadow. Just while I'm stepping out, I'll just take this with me. So there it is. It normally has a couple of roots on the bottom, but once you get the roots out, they're gone. You don't need gauntlet gloves, even rubber gloves or marigolds, and it's done. Job's a good one. Look, do it again, shall we? See how quick and easy that was? You go down, down. Of course, if you find a stone like I've just found, it makes it a little difficult, but go down. It separates, look.
Right, let me get in there so we can all see.
You get in there so you can see
the separation.
See the separation? See it separates, and then you can just get underneath the root. There's the root there, see it?
Oh, gosh, isn't it long?
It's a long root.
Can you just hold it still so we can see how long that root is? And realise when you just try and pull them out.
But see, if you leave the root in, it will grow again.
Goodness, I can't believe how long that is.
And there's a little one that goes along the side, look. There's always a couple. Make a message, tell me things I don't know, because there's a lot I don't know, but we have got skills here.
You got skills?
One or two. So, till next time on how to, or how not to, because sometimes I'll show you how not to do things. Oh, hello. And welcome back to the Roche-Parthenae Farm on tips on how to. Yeah, little tips on how to do things. And it's a continuation of the one we did. I can't remember about it. Oh, hello. Call me back again. I don't know what I'm doing actually. Oh, I do. Okay. We start again.